Today's featured pickup truck is a 1956 Chevrolet 3100 half-ton step side. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And somebody had done a complete restoration on it and had all new wood bed and new interior in it and some different wheels and tires. And not sure what size engine it had in it or what transmission, but more than likely most of these have just a small block Chevy with an automatic transmission usually. But this one really caught your eye in the bright red, and had the blue dot taillights in the back and had some nice touches on it. Somebody did a real nice restoration job on it, so I figure I would film it. Somebody I'm sure would be interested in seeing it. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1956 Chevrolet 3100 half-ton pickup truck with a step side that was completely restored, and I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.